Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Trinidad and Tobago early on Friday morning on the second leg of his five-nation tour. Prime Minister Modi, in fact, also received by his counterpart Kamala Prasad Bisesar at Piarco International Airport, where he was accorded a ceremonial welcome and a guard of honor as well. Now, this is the first bilateral prime ministerial level visit from India to Trinidad and Tobago since the year of 1999. Prime Minister Modi here called Prime Minister Kamala Prasad Bisesar as Bihar ki beti or daughter of Bihar. In fact, speaking to the Indian community, Prime Minister Modi shared that the country's Prime Minister's ancestors were from Buxar in Bihar and she has even visited the place.
India looks out you. India welcomes you. And India embraces you. Friends, प्रधानमंत्री कमला जी के पूर्वज बिहार के बक्सर में रहा करते थे। कमला जी स्वयं वहां जाकर भी आई है। लोग इन्हें बिहार की बेटी मानते हैं। People in India consider Prime Minister Kamala ji as the daughter of Bihar. यहाँ उपस्थित अनेक लोगों के पूर्वज बिहार से ही आए हैं।
Prime Minister Modi called Indian diaspora as Rashtradoot and said the community is the ambassador of values and culture, stating their journey in Trinidad and Tobago has been about courage.
The very first engagement is with the Indian community here. It feels completely natural. After all, we are part of one family. I thank you for your warmth and affection. Friends, I know that the journey of the Indian community in Trinidad and Tobago is about courage. The circumstances your ancestors faced could have broken even the strongest spirits, but they faced hardships with hope. They met problems with persistence. They left the Ganga and Yamuna behind, but carried the Ramayana in their hearts. They left their soil, but not their soul.
Remembering the holy water and Shilas sent for Ayodhya, Prime Minister Modi said that he was sure the Indian community welcomed the return of Ram Lalla to Ayodhya after 500 years with great joy.
I know of your deep faith in Prabhu Shri Ram. एक 180 साल बीतल हो, मन न भूलल हो, भजन राम के हर दिल में गुंजल हो। The Ram Leelas in Sandi Grandi and Dow Village are said to be the truly unique. Ramcharitmanas says, Ram Dhamda Puri Suhavani, Lok Samast Vidit Ati Pavan. It means the holy city of Prabhu Sri Ram is so beautiful that its glory is spread across the world. I'm sure you all welcome the return of Ram Lala to Ayodhya after 500 years with great joy.
Prime Minister Modi also reiterated that earlier this year, the world's largest spiritual gathering, the Mahakumbh, took place, and he has the honor to carry the holy water of the Mahakumbh with him. He requested his counterpart to offer the holy waters to the Sangam and Saryu River to the Gangadhara there.
You all know that earlier this year, the world's largest spiritual gathering, the Mahakumbh, took place. I have the honor to carry water from the Mahakumbh also with me. I request Kamalaji to offer the holy waters of the Saryu River and Mahakumbh to the Ganga Dhara here. May this holy water bless the people of Trinidad and Tobago. Friends, we deeply value the strength and support of our diaspora.
Prime Minister Modi will now hold bilateral talks with President Christine Kala Kangaloo and Prime Minister Kamala Persad Bissessar. The talks are expected to focus on further strengthening cooperation in areas such as trade, energy technology and cultural exchange. He is also scheduled to address a joint session of the Parliament of Trinidad and Tobago, highlighting the significance of the relationship between the two countries. Prime Minister Modi's third leg of tour will be to Argentina from July 4th to 5th, followed by Brazil for the 17th BRICS Summit and a state visit. The final leg of his tour will take him to Namibia.